Oh, I'm so nervous.
How do I throw it? Throw.
Oh! That's terrible.
It's down.
Oh.
Still goes.
Can you fix it?
Yeah, it's broken.
Oh dear.
Oh.
He's not gonna fly.
Yeah, what the fuck? So heavy. Okay, was that full power? Did you put it on turbo?
This doesn't have turbo.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, it's got turbo.
And it says for extra lift you can break up those things. You probably have to.
No, one of the wheels fell off there, guys.
Yeah,
That's not going back in.
Oh.
That pulled out the whole undercarriage bit.
Turbo, where's turbo? Oh. Oh, here we go.
No, take off the...
You're too impatient. Oh, that so sucks.
They're dying down.
Let's just throw it like a flying wing.
Why don't you ride it off a roof or something?
A hole to put in the ground. Look at that.
Oh, I didn't do that.
Nose dive. It's still good.
That's... Oh!
Qantas.
That was Qantas. You should have...
Plans didn't stand a chance.
That was the shittiest thing That was the shittiest thing I ever fucking bought.
Hey, it was
Maybe you
still
can
fun.
fly this bit.
Or maybe. Like space. Oh! That's kind of cool.
That works better than the whole plane.
Simon, how do you feel about this? How do you
I'm
feel?
not that happy. I've learnt something though.
What?
Don't sit in first class. Economy is the way to go. You buy these things because they're so cheap, you think, oh, $99, might as well. And then they do that.
Yeah.
Why did you have it on turbo?
Yeah, I had it on turbo.
Must have.
I had it on
So
turbo.
shit. It's the shittest thing ever.
Oh, can we go on fast?
Mosquitoes.
Stop recording?
You gotta keep filming these scenes. As much as it hurts, you just gotta push through it. These are the shots you want.
So that's an omen for the Happy Camper series.
Aww.
We're gonna be alright. Dry my ink pants.
Wind blowing in our hairs.
Just keep it as a trophy. Oh fuck, mozzies.
Yeah.
They're huge.
Yeah, we don't fuck around here in Guildford. This is a 747 and this is where first class sit. And as you can see here, they have much more space in this area than anyone else.
Yes.
And that's what you pay for, this space here.
Yeah, if you look at economy,
Down
you can
there.
see down there, not much at all.
No.
Especially when you factor in you have to put this motor over there. Look at that. People
Oh.
sitting there are completely gypped off.